What is Vulcan Forged, PYR, and how to make money playing it? Vulcan Forged is a play-to-earn game that allows players to earn cryptocurrency by winning, selling, and upgrading their in-game assets. How to crypto? What is a play-to-earn crypto game? Distributed technologies including blockchain and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, enable game developers and gamers a more interactive, immersive and incentivized experience than ever before through the new game model advertised by tech enthusiasts and named the play-to-earn, P2E, crypto games model. P2E games, also known as blockchain-based or cryptocurrency games, gain significant attention from the gaming community and developers as they provide an opportunity to own data for in-game assets, fuel in-game economic systems and provide many other perks to facilitate the metaverse ecosystems. Related, My Neighbor Alice, a beginner's guide to the play-to-earn crypto game with P2E games. Players can own and trade various in-game inventory and objects such as characters, skins, weapons, virtual land and other digital accessories to achieve higher performance in the game as well as to receive financial rewards. Due to the P2E model, gamers are compensated for their skills, and developers and gaming projects have the potential to attract more players. P2E crypto games are a win-win phenomenon for emerging recently as a successful trend. What is Vulcan Forged? Designed as an easy-to-build and P2E ecosystem, Vulcan Forged incorporates a game studio dedicated to NFT games built on Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB chain, as well as an NFT marketplace, Launchpad, a decentralized exchange, DEX, called the Vulcan DEX, and follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.